Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove border lines in table in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we create a new page. Then we go to the insert menu and click table option. Then create a table. Now we remove border lines in this table. Select the table column, then go to the borders option and choose top border or bottom borders or inside borders. Now we can see we use inside border and we remove the inside border line in this table. Now we try some another column or rows. Now we can see here we removed the up border on this table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.